Hey there, welcome to Manufacta. Have you ever stopped to think about that minty paste we use every morning and night? It's easy to take toothpaste for granted, but this little tube plays a big role in our lives. Toothpaste isn't just about fresh breath, it's our secret weapon for a healthy smile. Every time we brush, toothpaste swoops in to fight plaque, those pesky bacterial films that love to cling to our teeth. And let's not forget about cavities. Toothpaste helps strengthen our enamel, making it more resistant to the acids that cause those tiny holes we call cavities. Plus, it helps keep our gums healthy, which is essential for a strong, vibrant smile. So the next time you reach for your toothbrush, remember that you're holding a powerful tool for oral health. It's time to uncover the secrets behind this everyday essential and explore the fascinating journey of toothpaste. Ever wonder what's actually in that tube of toothpaste? Well, get ready for a peek behind the scenes. Toothpaste is like a carefully crafted recipe, with each ingredient playing a crucial role. First up, we have abrasives. These gritty particles help scrub away plaque and stains, leaving our teeth feeling smooth and clean. Think of them as tiny tooth polishers. Next, we have fluoride, the cavity-fighting superhero. Fluoride strengthens our enamel and makes it more resistant to acid attacks. It's like giving our teeth a protective shield. And of course, no toothpaste would be complete without flavoring agents. These give toothpaste its minty freshness and make brushing a more enjoyable experience. After all, who wants to brush with something that tastes bland? But that's not all. Toothpaste also contains binders, humectants, and detergents, each with its own special purpose. Binders hold all the ingredients together. Humectants prevent the toothpaste from drying out, and detergents create that foamy texture we all know and love. Hold on to your hats, science enthusiasts. The journey of toothpaste ingredients takes us on a global adventure. These components come from all corners of the world, from mines to manufacturing plants. Abrasives like silica are derived from sand, mined from various locations. Calcium carbonate comes from limestone, found worldwide. Fluoride is sourced from fluorite, found in underground deposits. Refreshing flavors like mint come from natural plant extracts. From mines to farms to factories, toothpaste ingredients embark on a fascinating journey. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our world and the ingenuity of science. Fasten your seatbelts, science sleuths, because we're about to take a thrilling tour inside a toothpaste factory. This is where the magic happens, where raw ingredients are transformed into the minty fresh paste we know and love. The process begins with carefully measured ingredients being added to massive mixing tanks. These tanks are like giant blenders, churning and swirling the ingredients together until they form a smooth, consistent paste. Next, the mixture is pumped through a series of rollers to ensure uniform texture and remove any air bubbles. Imagine a giant pasta maker, but instead of noodles, it's churning out toothpaste. Once the toothpaste has achieved the perfect consistency, it's time for the fun part, adding flavors and colors. These are carefully measured and blended to create the desired taste and appearance. Finally, the finished toothpaste is packaged into tubes, ready to be shipped to stores near you. It's a marvel of modern manufacturing, a testament to the precision and efficiency of science in action. Abracadabra, the magic of abrasives in toothpaste. Abrasives are tiny grit particles that keep our teeth clean and sparkling. They scrub away plaque and stains, leaving our smiles polished and refreshed. Imagine tiny toothbrushes removing debris and polishing enamel. That's what abrasives do. They create friction to dislodge plaque without harming enamel. Common abrasives include silica, calcium carbonate, and baking soda. Each material effectively cleans and polishes our teeth, but remember, moderation is key. Using too abrasive toothpaste can wear down enamel over time. Choose a toothpaste with the right level of abrasiveness for your needs. Fluoride, the tiny superhero fighting cavities. Get ready to meet fluoride, the tiny superhero that's been fighting cavities and protecting our smiles for decades. This mineral might be small, but its impact on oral health is mighty. Fluoride works its magic by strengthening our tooth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks from plaque bacteria. Think of it as a shield that deflects those harmful acids, preventing them from weakening our enamel and causing cavities. But that's not all. Fluoride can also reverse early signs of tooth decay by remineralizing weakened enamel. It's like giving our teeth a little boost, helping them repair and rebuild themselves. Thanks to fluoride, generations of people have enjoyed healthier, stronger smiles. It's a testament to the power of science to improve our lives and protect our precious pearly whites. Flavors and colors making toothpaste fun. Let's face it, science fans, brushing our teeth wouldn't be nearly as enjoyable without those refreshing flavors and appealing colors. These sensory delights transform a mundane task into a more pleasant experience. Mint is undoubtedly the king of toothpaste flavors, with its cool, invigorating sensation. But the world of toothpaste flavors extends far beyond mint, with options like cinnamon, citrus, and even tea tree oil. And let's not forget about colors. While most toothpastes stick to classic white or blue, some brands get creative with stripes, swirls, and even sparkles. These visual cues add a touch of fun and excitement to our daily brushing routine. Flavors and colors might seem like minor details, but they play a significant role in making toothpaste more appealing, especially for children. After all, when we enjoy the taste and look of our toothpaste, we're more likely to brush regularly and maintain good oral hygiene. Packaging and distribution sending smiles worldwide. Our journey through the world of toothpaste wouldn't be complete without exploring the final stages, packaging and distribution. It's a fascinating process that ensures this essential oral care product reaches bathroom sinks around the globe. Once the toothpaste is mixed, flavored, and ready to go, it's time to package it in those familiar tubes. Automated machines fill and seal the tubes with remarkable precision, ensuring each one contains the perfect amount of toothpaste. Next, the tubes are labeled, boxed, and palletized, ready for their journey to distribution centers. These massive warehouses act as hubs, receiving toothpaste shipments from factories and dispatching them to stores near and far. From trucks to trains to ships, toothpaste travels by land, sea, and air to reach its final destination, store shelves around the world. It's a testament to the efficiency of global supply chains and the dedication of countless individuals working behind the scenes to deliver this everyday essential. Toothpaste's triumph, a legacy of healthier smiles. As we conclude our exploration of toothpaste's fascinating journey from factory to bathroom sink, it's clear that this unassuming tube plays a vital role in our lives. It's a testament to the power of science and innovation to improve our health and well-being. Thanks to toothpaste, generations of people have enjoyed healthier, brighter smiles. Cavities, once a widespread problem, are now largely preventable thanks to the combined power of fluoride, abrasives, and good oral hygiene practices. But toothpaste is more than just a cavity fighter, it's a symbol of self-care, a reminder to prioritize our oral health and invest in our overall well-being. So, the next time you squeeze that minty fresh paste onto your toothbrush, remember the incredible journey it took to reach you and the positive impact it has on your smile. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explored, discovered, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and subscribe to Manufacta.